Good evening, everyone. I'm here to talk about environmental challenges we have in South Africa, specifically water scarcity and drought. Firstly, in South Africa, we are a very water scarce country with deserts like the Karoo and the Kalahari. We have increasing droughts and uneven rainfall patterns that threaten our communities' agriculture and our industry. Why water scarcity is a problem? We already have low annual rainfall compared to the global average. This is because we're in a subtropical region, but also because we have a lot of desert area. We have increasing population and urbanization, which requires larger amounts of fresh water. We have larger agricultural industry, which requires increasing amount of fresh water. And then we also face global warming and the effects thereof in our water scarcity problem. As I mentioned a little bit earlier, climate change causing rising temperatures, our water infrastructure that's causing a lot of leaks, our poor sewage system management, and etc. is causing our water scarcity issues. We also have, apart from water scarcity, we have high rates of cholera and diseases being spread in polluted rivers and dams, not only from poor sanitation but also from large mining sectors and large industrial complexes. The environmental impacts of the previously mentioned and of global warming is that some of our rivers and wetlands are drying up, like the one in KwaZulu-Natal towards Mozambique. We're losing biodiversity, not only from poaching, but also from water scarcity. Certain habitats are decreasing, the sizes of the habitats are decreasing, and ecosystems are being destroyed, like the forests around the coast of the Swartberge in South Africa. These water scarcities are affecting our social and economic situations as well. It's causing increasing prices and affecting households in that our normal tap water is not safe for use in all circumstances. They carry high amounts of chemicals and hormones and things like that, and even some reports previously mentioned cholera and E. coli and Malaysia. This also causes reduced agricultural output, our terrible infrastructure, in that farms have concessions to water and they cannot get enough water from these concessions to irrigate and sustain the crops that they are planting. And that impacts them tremendously financially. Our water cost, on average compared to the rest of the world, is also quite high. We have mitigation efforts currently ongoing. We have water restrictions that happened in previous years, and we have awareness campaigns. We have dam construction and maintenance going on. Events led by the DA and so on. We have water recycling initiatives, and we have initiatives that go to rural communities and show them how to build water filtration systems and so on. And then we of course have the big desalination plants in the Western Cape. What can we do more about our water scarcity problem? We can improve our infrastructure maintenance, we can promote water-saving technologies, and we can protect our natural water sources, prevent pollution, plastic waste, bad sanitation, and so on. In conclusion, our water scarcity is a serious environmental challenge that will require a lot of support from a lot of people, and it will also require large economic management and so on, and it is essential for South Africa's future. Thank you for listening to my presentation.